Test the machine over, now welding. Banner 520. Fix banners with glue or tape tightly. Make welding edge smooth. Move machine to welding place. Open power, set the temperature at 400 degrees. Open heating switch. Set the wind speed switch at 3. Set the work speed at 3. Left hand raise banner. Make sure nozzle can enter banner overlap. Right hand hold the heat gun limited switch, ready to weld. When actual temperature at 400 degrees, begin weld. During welding, hold handrail and adjust the welding direction. Finish welding. Put heat gun in rest state. Welding skilled can increase welding speed. Set the working speed at 5. Set the temperature at 500 degrees. When actual temperature at 500 degrees, begin weld. Welding over, put the heat gun in rest state. Close the heating switch. When actual temperature below 50 degrees, turn off machine. Test the welding result. If weld not strong, increase set temperature or reduce working speed. If weld hot melted, reduce set temperature or increase working speed. After welding skilled can adjust during welding.